time to test it out, air shocks on a Sportster. We'll see if that's gonna fit. No? No. Of course, we're missing some tools because it's a Harley Davidson.
Yep, they can't use.
So we need like some star wrenches.
Star bit sets. This is it.
Are they big?
This is it, yeah.
Yeah. So we got the wrench. That was T50, straight from AutoZone, the best quality wrenches.
Yep. $16.
Oh, easy. All right. This is the amount of travel on a Sportster. That much, like what? 2 inches?
Not even, like 1.5.
That's what she said.
No wonder my back was fucking hurting all the time.
All right, let's see if the air shock's gonna fit. Huh? All right, so we got the air suspension on.
Yeah, let's spark on.
It moves a little bit. And
still a bit.
It looks like it's time for a test drive. How was it?
Kind of hard to tell. Still kind of hard.
This is pretty high with the air suspension. Going all the way up. Was it comfortable?
Pizza time. Ah, not too bad, I guess. We'll
Yeah.
see. We'll see how this.
It's pretty squishy. Real fucking squishy. Let's check it out, new suspension.
Put it up here.
Progressive. I think this progressive.
412.
412.
Short 13 inches.
Alright. So that's the stack. Shit, this one's way longer.
Maybe this will have a little difference.
Maybe a little more.
2 inches longer, right? Or
I
inch
think
there.
an inch and a half. Okay, perfect. So you don't need an actual lift. Just need a strong friend.
For starters, it looks pretty good.
It's gotta be torque to spec.
Between 40 to 50 pounds, so
Yep.
you got it.
Still hardtail?
Just put it in the middle. Don't scratch it. So if anyone would be interested in buying this bike, let me know, because my buddy's selling it. Looks pretty quick. So you got 1200cc.
Stage
got
one.
stage 1. You got full exhaust from Vincent Hines. Wide wall tires, front and back. Time for a test drive.
Flip flops and test drives.
Hell yeah. At least you got your gloves. That's gonna help.
Oh, and it's running too. Perfect.
Sounds right. Holy shit, that sounds fucking good. I think right now we got in a medium position, medium softness, I guess. So let's try to put at the softest position, and then he's gonna take a spin again. But nothing is gonna happen. All right, so we got softest position. It says pretty well, man.
I guess there's some.
Way softer?
It's gotta be still softer. Gotta take on the highway, not a.
Let me sit on it. Come here. Still is the problem with the fucking seat, because the seat is pretty hard.
I guess this is it. We'll test it out later.
Alright, so it looks like the suspension project is finished for now. Let's give it a couple of days, couple of weeks to test it out. But for sure it looks like it's working a little bit more than a stock one.